Microwave TV.
You're very messy. What me say?
Yeah.
But I like what Miss Blinga did when I was watching Raja was talking. She hit 2 key points when she asked him the question, and the question I was waiting for the answer, but he did not answer give the answer. He jumped to something else. So I
listen to Marjorie.
The 2 key points when she asked the question to him, he couldn't answer the question. He jumped to something else because he know what he did, and he don't want me to do it. It's bring up feel bad.
Listen to.
Guys, you have to understand. If me feel away, you not see me online. People, my Blinga them know say me is not. Me not come online. Every day, sometime or earlier. Sometimes I come back, I get to come back. Me not hiding. People that talk about how me did close off from my life. So I become I did in the white shirt and I see the something.
I explained before you heard it way.
That is not a big deal. That is nothing for you.
Them say me a cry. Only me a cry.
You're kidding me?
I don't understand how you should cry.
All right, hold on. Who know the
I had a cry for the first time.
The promoter of the show in England, nobody know her. Everybody know Blinga. Like, nobody know the promoter of the show in England.
She's not a popular person?
Yeah, no, nobody know her. I don't know her.
Okay.
None at all.
I don't know her.
So everybody know Blinga. So like Blinga never really, maybe Blinga never do one go either. Blood clot. That's all I can say.
You know, you say me a wait till the attack claps come.
Hey, that's like, well, come on. This is what it is.
Me, a big woman, me a 43. So when something get to my Blinga nails, them can't tell you no. Me's a honest hypocrite. No, we sit down and know things and don't say nothing until it gets one way where me just talk out my belly bottom. Enough things me know, me just not say nothing. Me make the people them win. You not think you win, brother, anything. Me know one thing, you know, but me learn in a life, you know. You see your conscience, it's a hell of a thing. And you see time, it's a hell of a thing.
What I see, like, Miss Blinga.
No, time is the master.
The master.
Bling, as much as when she be ready in Romeo, what that him I take them on?
Yeah, but okay.
She be a take on the one of them, you know.
Okay, because you see the party, he talk about
she
the
be
party.
one of the biggest critics of the England entourage.
He talk about the party.
Talk about the party.
The party.
You don't know what going on?
The party was scanty. The after party was more popular, crowder, and the regular party when they went to the first party. They went to 2 parties. After party and then for the party.
So she be a mackerel and go at it, you know, man.
Good night, people, everyone. Miss Blinga.
Yes, yeah.
Miss Blinga.
Just stop.
Yes.
From last night, Paddy, I'm come bless you. But so last time I on the live and me come up on live and me hear the people them attack. I see him thing last time I request to talk to you, Miss Blinga, and I tell you, say, you see it, your live will always be different than freedom live, Miss Blinga. Because last night your live a consciousness you deal with. You get me? You come on live and show people how to grow and things, how to work on bad energy, you get me? So prep to myself, big up on the same, I always watch your live still. You understand me? Prep one prep, one Miss Blinga, no matter what we done till already. Miss Blinga, I'm a nice looking boy, man. You're a nice looking boy, man. I'm going to give you soon. Don't worry yourself, man.
Pick up yourself.
Alright, Miss Blinga, I love you,
guys. Let me tell you one thing we rated, Miss Blinga.
One moment, General. Miss Blinga, when you check it up right now, who they on the app like you?
None.
Interview with people and read with people and talk to them.
You know, hear me say? Me talk already, you know. Me talk this already, you know. Me tell them, you know. Nobody can go past feed them live, go vice no opinion, you know, because them
Nobody.
Even a DJ Mega.
Nobody.
Miss Blinga live for the whole live. Even last time she step on live with Raja. Whole like last time I said she not mood now. I request to join, but I say boy, I can't feel no way because I know to somebody, she a human being too. You understand me? And I said, John, no, hold on, I'm turn I know to make it, but it is but alright then, yeah. Now I say, Miss Blinga a human being like everybody else. You understand? But I say, look on it. And then the idea, Miss Blinga to say, oh, she different and she not different league, not care what. You understand me? Because
that's why I take this morning when I get up, I just block some people. Mr. Me, nah, play with them again because here when I come over here, so I wrap up with them. Anything.
I feel too loving. I feel too
So what me
loving.
gonna do now? Me gonna show them people I say. Me in a one different category from them because anything me do, me wrong. And you see, too, because I be a young people, they for me.
Yes, Miss
You
Blinga.
know how much people me have who are 30 and 40 will watch me. So guess
Of
what?
course, Miss Blinga.
Me I go cater to that crowd there. Me I stay in a lane.
DJ Mega, as you say, Miss Blinga very professional in the idea. I'm say sometime, you know, but I'm not get to you. I'm tell you what you, I'm talk to you what you, Miss Blinga. You get me? Nobody on the app where teach about consciousness and people can come and say, Miss Blinga, you know, say me this a go on in my life and not a go on in my life. You get me? I even look at it and say,
UFO, if you should do a feasibility study of the popular persons that are top persons on TikTok, Miss Blinga and many more. The person that allow other person to be in their life are like other than Miss Blinga, nobody else from a dafa. And what I understand. Well, I know. And we can say this. You see, Ramesh is a marketing genius. I know him personally. I worked with him before. Right?
Wow.
And he's listen, me I talk facts. He's a marketing genius. And that's why I say this. No, Ramesh is on the app. No. You think because, well, in this dip on the app because he like all of them like that. This is a marketing platform and he's capitalizing on it to the best of his ability. Right?
Yes.
No,
That's right.
we don't see no other media bigger than TikTok right now, especially in Jamaica. Why wouldn't you want to be on TikTok? The president is on TikTok. The vice president is on TikTok. So many businesses, big businesses is on TikTok. So, at the best platform for showcase the business or anything. And once you're a master of this app, you basically have the world in your hand.
You understand me, father?
Nobody now was CVM. Nobody now was CVM on TV there again.
No, father.
Nobody watch them or something there.
Father, I work for a very famous telecommunication company. I'm call the people in my daytime. The people them say, you know, say, internet, me pick them watch. Me don't want a cable. You understand me?
No joke.
I don't lie.
You know, the on TikTok basically, you know the media.
Preps. You know why nobody leave Miss Blinga no matter what. One out of from far from the app. But you ever there beside her, you have somebody who is a Cherise with that. You understand me? I want Miss Blinga to see me, mom. Your queen. You see me, I'm watching keep on the shadow. As a matter of fact, something coming on my spirit and I'm going to make sure you know. A bigger shall get bigger upon this platform here. Because every disappointment is God appointment. The reason why God has got it. You have to put them and live for Miss Blinga. So
yes, somebody said the Amazon all the pan this app too. I reading up this.
Thank you, Miss Preps. Positive. You know, page. I be a positive with you, Miss Preps. Miss Blinga. I worry me go through in a life. I know people. I say people run with negativity. You understand me? True, Miss Blinga is a woman where she have an idea. If you stand for nothing, you're far for nothing. Miss Blinga is a woman on the app. Stand for something. You understand me?
Yeah. Everybody was stepping at TikTok, you know. Them have to come and Miss Blinga yard, you know.
Have to.
Have to come find Miss Blinga yard, you know.
Thanks.
And a them same one.
Miss Blinga, I can't afford that money to start give your woman. I can't even know. Come on, me up on live and message, you know, wait, man. I don't want to top gift for them, man. My mom tell you, I'm out the day. My mom tell you, Miss Blinga.
All right, so me I go say.
Everybody.
Me I go say. One UFO, big up your badness, UFO.
But I said this one here.
UFO, that's
Big up your badness, UFO.
Respect family, man. I want family, man. I love Miss Blinga, man. Blinga to the world. I'm one of them video record this and send it to Miss Blinga to the world and all who are bring bad energy to her. Lord, woman that own a lane.
Miss Blinga.
Yeah, loyal.
Me just say she a DJ. Me have a song when me write last night, a dancing song. I want to hear it, please.
Yeah, because everybody come over here for true. Over here, everybody come.
Run it. A lyrics.
Alright,
You're not
I'm fine already. Yeah, me wait till the ads play.
What we do is bring forward educated healthcare professionals from all around the world, one plus different countries globally to the...
Yeah, you read him? Say me a walk from Tonga country, and on the road and people rush me in a tree like monkey. Yeah, me a walk from Tonga country, and on the road and people rush me. Man have to flick up in a tree like monkey. A man drop off a wall like Humpty Life, my star run fi. Granny a laugh when evil a front teeth. Never thief when a young and a run feet. Never run me did a meds one dance deep. Take it dance please. Me have a dance go so soldier walk bang, soldier walk. Soldier walk in a the black suede clock. Watch a soldier walk bang, soldier walk. Soldier walk in a the black suede. Take it she bounce right, left, right, left, right, left. Shake your head now. Right, left, right. Give me a. Wanna say that here?
Ryan.
Yeah.
Put a birdie, may I do a song for Miss Blinga upon the live?
Alright. Yeah, take. Yes, Shawana.
One pet, one DJ match, one Ryan. This bring up on the app, bring positive, bad luck, if you can't stop. We need to them tonight, them better defend that. Them can't stop here, they hit the fish. If you get the pan there, every day you come, you lose the consciousness and heart stop. One prep, one DJ Mac, let it go now.
How we are? Tonga country, and on the road and people rush me. Man have to flick up in a tree like monkey. A man drop off a wall like Humpty Life, my star run fi. Granny a laugh when evil a front teeth. Ever thief when a young and a run feet. Never run me did a meds one dance deep. Catch it dance please, have a dance go so. Soldier walk bang, soldier walk. Soldier walk in the black suede clocks, watch a soldier walk bang, soldier walk. Soldier walk in the black suede, he catch you bounce right, left, right, left, right, left. Shake your head now, right, left, watch a. Yeah, couple million at the bank. Rich life me live in a prank. One friend this up more and she stim up on the ground. She long out her tongue and she whine and go down. Just a little me. Miss Grippy got it tight and little deep. Whine and jiggle it, whine and jiggle it. She got the body where more wanna laugh, mommy. Got the body where more wanna laugh. Alright. Me a tabo, head top fat bumper shake up. You something fat so your ex-man eat you. Bring a something come and me mo beat and teach it. Man a touch your neighbors, yeah you screaming. Balance for your head and so. Hey deep in a throat pass your dance. Yes, you know. See it them, where you son?
Royal.
Yeah.
So that's the rhythm for it?
Eh?
That's the rhythm for it?
No, that's not the rhythm for it.
Well, it have a buzz. So you need to get a rhythm for it and dice it real quick.
Work it,
Just follow
work on it more.
Ryan, I'm just follow you back. DJ man, I'm just follow you back.
Alright.
Yeah.
You sound like it.
Yes, me like it.
Yeah, it have a buzz,
You
man.
need to, what you call it? You need to write it and go to studio go record it.
Yeah,
Right,
Miss Blinga,
yeah, ready man. I don't see really my problem.
What Royal?
Yeah,
Need to build your confidence more.
yeah.
You need to DJ more from your belly. When you're a DJ, you need to be more confident. You are a DJ, but you're whole back. So you have some work to do. You know?
Alright.
You have some work to do. When you spit, you have to spit confident. And warm it aggressively and deal with it right. But you know, you go on still, but just don't give
Yeah,
up.
it have a buzz. I just
Yeah.
you need to deliver it.
Yeah, deliver it the right way, yeah.
Alright, me I make you hear one and tell me if me deliver it good, yeah?
Hold on, Lion.
No, we don't think you shout it no more, you know.
Alright,
Hold on,
alright.
Hold on, Lion. We love when Miss Blinga say, I'm going to them play it hard.
Miss Blinga, what? Can I buy more ice cream?
Hey, and if you go grab raspberry, I got have
Miss Blinga, you do something this mom never like.
Every day I do something one and I like.
No, you say your husband love you, your kids them love you, and you love yourself and God love you. Oh, you never say me love you too. You never thought me.
Ruan,
I understand that.
You're
You
not
left out me, Miss
rest,
Blinga.
you're not rest, Rowan.
Yeah, but you know, some love you, Miss Blinga. You know, say I'm a real G, you know. You're the real G for the happening, no matter what come and who wants, so this has
Yeah,
to
but
the real G.
them better stop them blood clot before next week, before me have to start something new upon this. So,
Hey, me no want them. Me no want them put it on your wrong side like the last time. Me no
go
come
out and tell them and then think I joke me. Me say, you say me over here so, not me over here so, and I me
So look here now.
rank.
What wrong if you not go England? You know, can't go England anything you want. Then I know say you're a citizen of UK. Anywhere you're going in the world, you can't travel go anywhere in the world. How the fuck do them? You know them come like marshmallow.
They don't have no sense. And me I said to myself, these young people don't get it. Like, make this make sense. Let me tell you now. All of the girl them who want a buzz, just cause bling.
Yeah, we realize, man.
Any girl feel like them want a buzz, cause bling.
You don't want to reach one quick.
Come in and see girl on the bus.
What Miss Blinga? If you want to reach 500,
Every time.
Come in and see girl on the bus.
Every time they cuss out them boss.
I'm loving now. Miss Blinga.
Are you sure them live after Miss Blinga?
He come like, come in and see girl on the bus.
Are you them live after?
But
Every time
them
they
make
some
a
boy you.
mistake. Cause
Every
them
time they some boy you.
them
They
to
go
bust
viral
and
or
leave me.
something.
Them bust and still a trouble me. So here we go on now. The bust now last. Wait.
True, Miss Blinga.
I mean, I want them to
Bust
get to the
and
wrong
leave
side.
me alone.
For you now, Miss for them, I got you the For You page. I'm not see nothing the boy you. Not the boy I'm not read this again. Yeah, man.
And we love you in the UK. We can't wait to see you. We
And then
can't wait
look
to
at now.
see you. We love you. We've been watching you for
UK
years.
something flapping up.
May I come do meet and greet for my birthday?
Yeah, we
You
love you. We can't wait till you come and we'll support you. Don't worry. Fuck them haters.
Thank you. Who is this? Miss, thank you.
Miss
Bro,
Blinga.
the party flop. Me say never all that. Miss Blinga never go.
And if Blinga they go there, all Blinga does so
that's how she
one
brings
top on the blood clot place mash up. And the place
everybody
mash
has
up.
said Miss Bling should have let it.
One top on the place that mash up.
Cause she would have been the host, you know, so Miss Blinga that bring her nice vibes. You see me them
I watch you go and be a fuck, Mr. Magwan.
The place was empty. There was no one there. There was no crowd.
They use Blinga for get a hype and go viral and them thing. They live off our strength. You know them come like Miss Blinga, you have the green grass and them are the snail and put a knife for feed by you.
But DJ Mega, people come by here, come
But
back.
no one's turned up at the party because it's cold in England right now. And second of all, why didn't they take them West End and take them shopping, take them around, tours, museums? This was not organised properly.
Everybody can talk one time. Deveral said no go.
Run. Me see people in need. I mean, I see no other life where other people go up and beg. I just bring a life alone. If you leave no man alone in the name of the Father.
Yeah, man. Blinga the boss. They know that to say Blinga the boss. They know about them for this to get a hype.
Nobody can go nobody life and beg and say, boy, we come and bring a life, bring a beg and say, people, stop, do something for them. Me not say nobody alone, no man prosper too, man.
The first time I come from Blinga live, she not even know me and she accept me in the box and as I come and she the first person gift me. And ask her, I never disrespect her yet, I never say nothing bad about her. But me dip and pay them things about her, I'm run them and fling me out of the box. And say me I just come in and know nothing. Yeah. That's how people stay. They have to feed pan, you forget the hype, you know. That's how people stay.
Yeah, but when you get the hype, you must leave the person. You can't just leave for the person because we're done.
You know what's thing?
You have to go and go elevate yourself now, you know, with the hype where you get, but people are not doing that.
You know what's thing? Blinga go to pan this and me talk and watch somebody with her. And they still can't bring her down.
You see, the last night run, we on live and I say, look at brother. And I say, look at no man, work for all composer, man, professionally, man. Even she with Raja, and say, Raja, load and Raja. And I think and even when she afford him, because Raja bridging statement, you know. And she rate him, you know. You see me? And but I treat him loyal and respect her to say me. So they lie some people.
So why do you think I save everything? Why do you feel like I save everything?
Raja.
Yeah? Raja save every blood clot thing. You hear me I tell you now? Raja save everything. Raja. Let me just go and bail. Because you can't say you rate somebody and you feel certain way. I remember saying the man now seeing people them for all long and I feel people them and all these things. So you know, what I say, so yeah, so anybody want to say I'm afraid of me either time I can't answer who I can't know the deep half of this. That's why I just not say nothing more time. Can you see me? There's a lot of soul. I make
just go and do your show. Yeah, millionaire family, man, just go and do your show. Nobody pay them no man. Because them have to later, you know.
Me I'm paying nobody no man. I don't know over this, you know. I don't know talk about it now over this.
Yeah, them have later, but you have to ever calculate them try to bring it on. Let me tell you something. They might try to achieve. If you say they get fed up and cut left them.
Oh, but you're not fed up and cut. You all the way have to cut off of this. Let me tell you, some things me just I could have come out, you know. I could have come out here every day and just fuck all rank, what I say me rank and just 50 day and 50 nights, you know. I tell you this, you know, no blood clots life gonna keep, you know. Go yeah, you know.
Oh God, man. Oh God, man, Miss Blinga.
Look what people have to get
so we can go out with the next hour and a half now, Arthur.
Watch out, people may rank yes to 1. Me need to pay that top 20 man. I don't
people we are begging to look at donuts and so.
I rank next year too.
We just need 17K.
I'll January come here rank same way.
No, me I done rank January. Hear what me do? Me I show them as a lesson. Me I show them say. Me not no court case. Me not done a review, but me I write them down, you know. And me I show the people them say. This app is nothing without me in a Jamaican realm. Watch. Because everybody else is all about hype and what they can get. Me said if people never used to add people in them box because them feel like them better than people and more than people. I'm gonna say, oh, you not add people in your box. One of them people you are giving you. And them people you are make who is and a support on a dirty blood clot and a drunk or dog shit.
But Blinga, look at now. Enter in a trouble, your court them have to come in. You don't see that? Your court also have to come in.
Because nobody to give them a platform. Because nobody to give them a platform when they can come talk and
nobody is on a court house, man.
People don't know what's going on. And no matter what they say about you, you keep coming strong. And you keep coming back. And that's what I love. They're not breaking you.
That's what I tell you, because
no matter what they do and say about this lady, horrible things about her kids, her partner, it's not right. And she keeps coming back strong.
And you never try fit. I mean, never try fit.
You got to remember, she's a human being. She's got a heart. Like, this is horrible.
Yes, sir. Probably I tried this year.
I mean, never try fit.
Yes, sir. Them rubber Ramish party, you know, downtown close. She go by, you know. The people that done her over there, you know.
Yeah, them done her in
the Pablo YG done her look one. Pablo YG done her, I say, this Blinga look you have one Puma old bag, we go pick up a town of a Kia.
Watch out.
Pablo YG Robert,
me black Fabi, because guess what? You don't understand. Me want me Fabi go cut her wrist, and if me go start, you go say, oh, be a young people me a cuss, and that me can't bother. So me not bother.
You have to give it to them, Miss Blinga.
No, me just black and done. We can't take it.
Come people share rank and at 12 o'clock it go up and out do we have left back. So after that we can come back, come chat.
Guys, we want 17K. Sorry everybody, but me I go try and get the top 20. Me just 17K now.
One Blinga boss.
That is it.
One
Thank
press,
you.
one Miss Blinga, one press. Take care.
Yeah, man. Remember me follow you.
Miss Blinga.
Yes.
Big up.
Thank you. Yeah, but voice the song.
Alright, me I go voice it, man.
Alright, bye.
Take me off. Miss Blinga, you can take me off.
Alright, guys. Thank you. I'm not big up on myself. I'm glad I see what I go on and be something, you know. You can make a big up.